If you want to succeed on your t-shirt or decal business, your best option is not to compete, but rather make the competition your allies. And we're gonna show you in this video why that's important. Now, for many years, we have outsourced online many products like business cards. We have outsourced yard signs, car magnets, banners. We have also outsourced many times transfers like DTF transfers, screen printing transfers. We also have someone locally that helps us with embroidery projects because he has all the equipment and also the screen printing projects for huge orders. And that is very good for us because we only make money by bringing the stuff to him and then by delivery it to our customers. Pretty much we just make money without doing pretty much anything. So that's also great for us because we just don't have the space or the time to learn more machinery. But it seems that we found ourselves a new ally because in this project, we're gonna show you some decals that we made for this guy that ordered just the decals to outsource. And he told us that he has like the equipment to make DTF, like other stuff. He mainly focuses on t-shirts. However, he does not have a vinyl cutter big enough for bigger decals. So he has a huge project and just wanted to buy or outsource the decals from us. So he proposed that maybe in the future he can work with us and make money from us as we do from other people. And that's okay with us. We're open-minded because we also do the same. But to us, this is a huge opportunity because this person might have access to other types of customers. And he suggested that if those customers ask him for decals, he might send them to us or he might just order the decals from us. And that's a good way for us to make extra money from other sources. So I suggest that if you have the same opportunity, do not compete with your competition. Make them your ally. Be smart. But before we start with this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe. Also, if you didn't know, we have a decal calculator that we use to price this project that you can also use by joining the RDI Gold membership or the Premium membership. Just click on the join button below. So let's start with the project. What I like about this project is that the guy, he has a software and he's already into the business, so he knows the deal. And he sent me everything ready just to start cutting. And one of the things that I love about the graphic is that you can use different size rolls. We have mentioned this many times. By the way, we're using Oracle 651 for this project. The transfer, we're probably gonna do the paper transfer for some and the other ones the transparent one, since the guy has to layer a second color on top of the white one. And the settings we are using for this project is offset 0, speed 41, and cut force 16. And we send it using the CM3 for the graphic. And the guys are over there working. What we love about this project is that we do not have to worry about the installation. The guy is gonna do it by himself. So that's why we give him a good price. So these guys don't have to go out in the sun and be working in the sun.
Look at my tan.
Because look at them.
I need any more.
Oh man, look at that.
Farmer's tan.
And this is why it's important that you must align your vinyl, because this is the biggest design for this project, which is the 3 logos. Lucky for us, we don't have to do any like dry combination. The guy he knows how to use the registration, so he's gonna do it himself. We're just gonna provide him the 2 colors with transfers on each, so it made it easier for us. And while we wait that the red color is cutting, let's go check out the guys. This is the most difficult part of this project, is the logo. It has like a lot of details. I don't know if camera can pick it up, but it has a lot of like tiny squares. It's supposed to be like a city, but it's many little squares, but we'll get it done. See, this is the only downside about this design. It has too many details, but I mean, for the price, I think that's really good. And we don't like I said, we don't have to worry about installation, none of that. Once we finish and then we apply the transfer, then we're done. So now we're doing the red one, and for some reason this color, we always have issues with this. I think it's thicker than the white vinyl. I don't know if you can tell the guys are having a harder time to peel off or weed out, and I don't know, it's probably the settings. You gotta increase the cut force for this color. I don't know what it is. Yeah, I think sometimes you just gotta find the angle. I mean, it's not that bad. It's definitely doable, but we just gotta be careful.
I think we've had worse than this.
Yeah, we had worse. Okay, so this is everything we have for this project. We weeded out. We're just gonna wait for the guy to tell us when he's planning to do the installation, because Saul mentioned something about the transfer. We noticed that because this has happened to us before, if we apply the transfer and then they delay the project, the decals are laying around for a few days, then the transfer wrinkles sometimes, and we don't want that to happen to this person. So we told him to let us know when he's planning to do the installation, so that way we know when to apply the transfer, so that way it's smooth and perfect for him. And here's the conversation that I had with the customer, and pretty much he just asked for an estimate for just the decals, and he was very specific of what he wanted. That's what I really liked about this project. He sent me the dimensions from width and height perfectly, and the colors that he wanted, so it was so easy for me to get an estimate and send him my estimate of how much I was gonna charge him for this project. And down here I have the video where I show him my calculator that I use for pricing, and I explain to him step by step of what I charge and the material, everything. And I charge him at the end $220, and he agreed. He said, yeah, I like the price, it's perfect. After that, of course, then we came up with a date on when he was going to need those decals for the installation. Well, this is it for this video. Hopefully you guys liked this video, and if you did, make sure you hit the like, and also we appreciate if you share this with your friends or other social media. We almost hit 30,000 thanks to you guys. We appreciate your support. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next episode.